Girls, hello everyone. Today I will show you a very simple face mask based on Vaseline. Chinese women love this mask very much. It is done in 5 minutes, and the result is amazing, and you will definitely like it. The mask is simple, but very effective. The mask perfectly nourishes, moisturizes, makes our skin soft, well-groomed in literally 20 minutes. All products for the mask are natural, budget-friendly, and you can find them at home. This mask is suitable for dehydrated, dry, dull, flaky, aging skin. Chinese women love this mask very much. It is done in 5 minutes, and the result is amazing, and you will definitely like it. I take plain Vaseline, a teaspoon. It needs to be melted. We do this in a water bath or in the microwave for 10 seconds. I melted the Vaseline. Look what it turned into. And now I'll add other ingredients. Girls, Vaseline softens our skin very well, and the active ingredients in the mask penetrate the skin well and help it to be absorbed. And Vaseline is a great base for night care. I also add honey to the mask. I take a teaspoon, not a full spoon, but half a teaspoon. When adding any product, do not forget to mix it well immediately. This is very important for the mask. Girls, someone has been trying this mask for 2 months, and she really liked it. To be honest, the skin becomes just amazing, very well groomed and radiant. She says, "Dear ones, write in the comments about what masks you have tried. It is very interesting to know." Girls, if someone cannot use honey, skip this step and do not add it. Well, this applies to those who are allergic to honey and have rosacea on their face. Therefore, honey is contraindicated for you. And for those who can, add it. This is a wonderful antioxidant, an antiseptic for our face. Honey also nourishes and moisturizes our skin very well. It evens out skin tone very well, gives it a fresh and radiant look. Now I add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the mask. Mix everything well. Aloe moisturizes the skin very well. In addition, it soothes the skin, eliminates redness and irritation. Very light texture. An ideal combination with petroleum jelly. It rejuvenates the skin and smooths wrinkles. Now I add a teaspoon of almond oil. It nourishes the skin with fatty acids and vitamins, makes the skin more elastic, prevents aging and gives a fresh, well-groomed look. Then I add vitamin E, the vitamin of youth and beauty, a powerful antioxidant, slows down aging, improves skin elasticity and tone, fights wrinkles and reduces deep lines. I add it from 1 capsule. Mix the mask well, that's it. Girls, the mask is ready. Let's repeat the recipe. 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 capsule of vitamin E. Here the mask is ready. It turns out very soft, like butter, a wonderful mask. Use it and share your results in the comments. Apply to clean skin for 20 minutes. You can also apply it around the eyes, neck, and décolleté. And if there is any left, don't forget to apply it to your hands. This mask can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Before the mask, you can do a facial massage. This facial massage is done by Chinese and Japanese women. I will show you now. So the first point is Yangwei. It is located above the eyebrows. Massage it for a minute. You can do it in one direction or in both directions. The second point is in Tan. It is located here. Massage it for a minute. The second point is Sebai. It is located under the eyes. Massage it carefully here, because our skin under the eyes is very delicate. We put our fingers on the bones and massage for a minute. The next point is in Sia. These are the wings of the nose. Also massage for a minute. And another point is tongue, the outer corner of the eye. Also for a minute. Do such a massage once a day. It only takes 5 minutes. but this is a very wonderful massage. You can also stroke your face. Here we take our fingers and stroke our skin. We do everything along the massage lines. After 20 minutes, rinse the mask with warm water. You can wash with gel or foam, then finish the procedure with cold water. This is very important. And apply a moisturizer. Do this mask twice a week. The effect is amazing. Your skin will thank you. It will become fresh, well-groomed, soft, velvety, radiant, and healthy. Believe me, this mask is very good. Chinese women did it not for nothing. Moreover, one subscriber wrote to me that this is an ancient Chinese recipe for rejuvenation. I don't know how ancient it is, but it's amazing, so try it. Be sure to do an allergy test. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to get rid of deep wrinkles around the mouth. How to get rid of wrinkles on the forehead. How to get rid of wrinkles on the neck. In today's video, we will prepare an anti-wrinkle mask using eggs and Vaseline. The first thing we need for this is Vaseline. Vaseline. Moisturizing your skin with Vaseline is an important preventative measure to slow down the signs of aging on your skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. First, melt the Vaseline in a hot water bath. Does Vaseline have any anti-wrinkle benefits? Yes, Vaseline has anti-wrinkle benefits, but it doesn't directly eliminate wrinkles. Here's how it works. The main benefits of Vaseline for wrinkles. 1. Retains moisture. Vaseline creates a protective layer on the skin, trapping moisture. This prevents the skin from drying out, which can lead to premature wrinkles. 2. Gives skin softness. When the skin is smooth and soft, wrinkles are less noticeable. Vaseline enhances this effect. 3. Gives the skin a temporary tight look. Vaseline smooths the skin slightly, so wrinkles are temporarily less noticeable. 4. Protects against collagen loss. It doesn't directly increase collagen, but it helps maintain skin elasticity. We also need 1 egg to make this mask. What are the benefits of eggs for facial skin and wrinkles? I will give you information based on scientific facts. 1. Albumin protein in egg whites tightens the skin. Fact: egg whites contain a large amount of albumin, which temporarily tightens the skin and makes it look like wrinkles are reduced. Source: Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2012. Egg whites have been found to smooth the top layer of the skin in the short term. 2. Antioxidants fight wrinkles. Fact: egg yolks contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. They protect the skin from sunlight and slow down the aging process. Source: Nutrients Journal, 2013. These antioxidants help reduce the damage caused by UV rays. 3. Nourishes the skin with vitamins A, D, E. Fact: egg yolks are rich in vitamins A, D, and E. They accelerate the renewal of skin cells, making the skin soft and smooth. Source: Dermatoendocrinology, 2011. These vitamins play an important role in repairing the epidermis and maintaining elasticity. 4. Helps maintain skin moisture. Fact: the fats and lectins in eggs help restore the hydrolipid balance of the skin, which reduces skin dryness. Source: International Journal of Cosmetic Science, 2014-5. Stimulates collagen production, indirectly. Fact: the amino acids in eggs are involved in collagen synthesis. Collagen is essential for skin elasticity and wrinkle-free skin. Source: Journal of Nutrition, 2015. Amino acids, such as proline and lysine, help produce collagen. Conclusion: eggs are a natural, affordable, and effective tool in the fight against wrinkles. In particular, egg whites tighten the skin and reduce oiliness. Egg yolk nourishes, moisturizes, and protects the skin with antioxidants. Add lemon juice to the mask and mix well. Help smooth out wrinkles, so I squeeze a tablespoon of lemon. This fruit, rich in vitamin C, can be a great way to treat wrinkles naturally. The acidic properties of lemon help brighten your skin and smooth out wrinkles. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Soak lemon peel in the mask. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now you apply this to the wrinkles on your face. Apply the mask to your face and massage well. If you have wrinkles on your forehead, you can also massage your forehead. If you have deep wrinkles around your mouth, massage it with your hands for 2 minutes. Massage your forehead for 2 minutes and your neck for 2 minutes. Apply the mask to your face and massage it in, then let it dry on your face. You need to do this for 3 days, and it is a very easy, simple, effective remedy. Try this mask to get rid of deep wrinkles on your face and neck, and leave your comments in the comments. So, when you're done, wait for the mask to dry and then rinse it off with cold water. Vaseline moisturizes the skin and prevents it from drying out. Egg whites stimulate collagen production and tighten the skin. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidants, brightens and rejuvenates the skin. This mask helps reduce wrinkles. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.